Alright everyone, so in this video we're going to be checking out the Hohem iSteady Pro 4. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. Huge shout out to Hohem for actually sponsoring this video and sending out the Hohem iSteady Pro 4. They actually sent out a few other gimbals to me as well, and I'll link those below if you guys want to check those videos out as well. Those are going to be for smartphones, but this one is going to be for the action cams. Now this can be compatible with a bunch of different action cams, so definitely make sure your action cam is compatible with this. This is actually on a sale right now for only $85, so it is very affordable, and it's one of the nicer ones out there at that price tag. So let's go ahead and see what we get inside of the box. So if we pull this out, it looks like we get a case and there is nothing else in the box. Nice little soft case right here. We're gonna go ahead and unzip this. We have our user manual and we have our quick start guide. We also have our cords for the camera, so we can go ahead and plug these inside of our action cam or GoPro or whatever you guys are using, and you can actually charge your camera at the same time as using a gimbal, so that's a really useful feature. We have, of course, our mini tripod, and we have our USB type A to type C data cable. And of course, last but not least, we have our iSteady Pro 4. Alright everyone, so this is our iSteady Pro 4. To actually pop your action cam in, you're gonna go ahead and pull this and obviously put this inside. Do make sure that when you are putting your action camera in here, that you don't put the port side facing right here, because it will end up blocking your ports. So do it on the outside once you have the camera inside. Obviously, we're just gonna go ahead and set it in right there. Left side of the device, we have our DC out and DC in. And for our DC in, we actually have a USB type C port, so we can actually go ahead and charge our phone with either one of those via the battery on this device. So that's pretty neat. We also have another screw right here, so you guys can screw some other adapters, maybe a light, and you can even set up your phone on this as well. So that's pretty dope. For the device, we have our Bluetooth, we have our little joystick, and it actually feels really nice and premium right here. We also have our pan follow, we have our pan tilt follow, we have our lock, and we also have our POV for all follow and the inception mode. Also, our little roller right here goes 30 degrees, and we actually go negative 30 degrees on here. Obviously, we hold the power button to turn this on. Once in camera, we can actually double tap this to go from camera to recorder, or we can click it to take a picture and or record a video. And to see your battery light indicators, all you have to do is press the power button down once. We also have our trigger on the back for sport mode if you hold it, and if you double tap the trigger, it recalibrates the gimbal. As far as the build and everything, I feel like this is pretty decent for the price tag. It's not going to be the most premium feeling, but it also isn't going to feel cheap at all. But let's go ahead and take a look at some samples that this device gives us.